Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to our channel Easy Guide, and today we are going to talk about how you can transfer your money from GCash to PayPal. That first you need two accounts. The first is your primary PayPal account and the second will be your secondary PayPal account. So from your primary PayPal account you need to send money to your secondary PayPal account. So let's go. At first you need to go on send and request, and from here you are going to click on send. So now you are going to type a secondary account name here, and then you are going to enter amount like $12. I'm going to send, next, and then you're going to click please add a payment option, and from here we'll go to link a debit or credit card, and in this step you're going to enter your GCash MasterCard details, and after that you can send money easily. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, then do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.